Adding or removing the code scanner to the control center on your iPhone 15 allows you to quickly access the QR code scanning feature, enhancing convenience for various tasks like accessing websites, Wi-Fi networks, or contact information. This video will walk you through the process. Let's begin by adding the code scanner. To start, launch the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Touch and hold on the blank portion of the control center. This switches the panel to edit mode. Tap Add a Control at the bottom section. Doing so opens a list of different controls or shortcut icons. You can use the search bar to locate the scan code control or scroll down to the Utilities section. Then tap Scan Code. Now head back to the control center, and you should see the code scanner icon added and lined up among other quick controls. By then, you should be all set to scan codes straight from the control center of your iPhone. To use the code scanner, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Then tap the code scanner icon to launch the scanner and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to complete the scanning process. Should you wish to remove the code scanner, relaunch the control center. Then, touch and hold on any blank area of the control center to switch edit mode. Finally, tap on the minus sign on top of the scan code icon to remote it. Adding the code scanner to the control center allows for faster access, while removing it can declutter your control center if you don't use the feature frequently. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.